What's up guys, been jamming outdoors. Today I have a small project here. This is like a 49-inch spear gun. I'm going to sand and restain the wood, and I'm going to put a clear coat on it. I'm going to polish the shaft up, I'm going to replace the wire, put new bands on it, just make it, just freshen it up a little bit, and then I'm going to use it hopefully. I'm going to go off the coast of Tampa probably, or maybe even take it down to the Keys and do some spear fishing. So y'all stay tuned. The wood's seen better days, and the plastic has actually the crack in the back. Polished up the shaft a little bit. I wire wheeled it so it's cleaner. I get some high grit sandpaper and I'm going to sand this down, and then I'm going to stain it with red oak 215. Probably is going to look similar to this. I got 20-inch 5/8, my local dive shop, $12 each. It honestly wasn't that bad of a deal, so